Hello students, welcome to my channel again. I am Shubho Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science in the Department of Computer Application and Science. Today our topic is Introduction to E-commerce. Now first of all we have to know what is e-commerce. E-commerce is buying or selling of goods via electronic media and transfer the money to complete the sales. Trading is done via electronic media, that's why it is also called e-commerce. The example of electronic media are telephone, internet, mobile technology, etc. Now we can take some example of e-commerce to clear our idea. First we are getting an example of product selling website in e-commerce. The most popular product selling website are Flipkart and Amazon. In Flipkart or Amazon, we can choose a product and then we can purchase a product from the site, and for that product we have to pay the amount. Amount paying may be online or offline. If we choose online, we can pay via internet banking, credit card, debit card or via any wallet. Now it is time to check the service-based e-commerce site. Urban Company is one of the most popular e-commerce in service sector. They provide different services and against their services, they charge the amount. We have mentioned only two popular e-commerce sites, but there are many e-commerce sites present in the market. The sectors where e-commerce are very popular, these are retail, dropshipping, digital product, wholesale, service, subscription, crowdfunding, etc. Now it is time to discuss about advantage and disadvantage of e-commerce. If we are thinking about the e-commerce, then the first advantage is the large market. Using e-commerce and internet, we can flourish our market and we can extend our business. Number 2 advantage is big profit. If the market is large, then the customer will be more and the profit will be increased. We know the tagline, sell more, profit more. Number 3, we can track the market demand. We can provide the correct product and we can increase our sale. Next advantage is lower cost. The business is established on online, so the establishment costs are low, and if the establishment cost is low, then the profit will be increased. Next advantage is accessibility. We can buy or sell product from anytime, anywhere in the world. We can use laptop, desktop, mobile, tablet, etc. We have only discussed top 5 advantages, but e-commerce have many more advantages. Now about the disadvantages of e-commerce. Number 1 disadvantage is transaction fraud. In e-commerce, everything is online, so payment is also in online. So there is a chance of fraud occurrence. There are different type of fraud can be happen. Most common fraud are credit card fraud and internet banking fraud. Second disadvantage is IT security issue. E-commerce is completely based on internet, so our computer is always in threat. Our machine can be affected by virus, malware or data theft by the internet thief. And final disadvantage is internet access. We know in our country most of the people are not aware about the internet access and they are not comfortable to use the internet, so that online marketing and e-commerce are not easy to use for them. I know e-commerce have some disadvantages, but advantages are far more than the disadvantages. So nowadays e-commerce is much more popular in the young generation and also in the older age. E-commerce is the future. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Press the bell icon to never miss the update from my channel. Thank you for watching my video. I am Shubho signing off today. For more video, please stay tuned in my channel.